Okay, we're back. Last thing that we're going to talk about in just the straight movements is our cylinder of power when we're talking about pushing. Now, not rocket science. If rowing was all about being able to control this cylinder in our strong upright position in our pelvis pointing forward, our weight on both feet, now when we start thinking about pressing or pushing movements, again, now I've got to be able to control that cylinder and press against something. But now you see how it's my arms are moving. So the force is going to be somewhat generated by my arms, but sometimes in sport it's generated by both. So I'm stepping into something, generating force from the bottom and generating force from the top. Or in hitting something, like hitting a volleyball, throwing a baseball, those kinds of things. They're all combination of pushing and then rotation. But now just to show you how complicated this can get, if I go to a single-handed press and I want to keep this cylinder nice and controlled, but now I'm actually doing it when I'm only standing on one leg, I've got to now control this teeter-totter, the rotational control at my ankle, hip, my cylinder of power, and what's happening at my arm. So now when I go into moving like this, I've got to keep all those things in control. That's the dynamic control that we're talking about relative to this cylinder of power, and then it permeates all the way down to the other joints in the body to make sure that we get technical excellence in our skill with power and speed, and hopefully we can do it when we're under pressure and tired as well.